Marcus does not joke around about his passy either.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Natalia dropped it. Kaya? Kaya? Munggo babay? Sama ka? Ayaw? Fine. Fine, Kaya. Fine. What did he do? He's too loud for you? Okay, okay, baby. Sorry. Sorry, baby. Si Marcus, baby. Marcus! Marcus!
Marcus.
Ali! It's okay, Marcus.